Hi, grade 9 students! Welcome to Math Like TV. Ngayon po ang video ito, aking ituturo sa inyo about direct variation. Tapusin nyo lamang ang video ito hanggang sa dulo upang kayo ay mayroong matutunan. Inyong matutunan ang video ito kung paano ang pag-translate ng statement into an equation. Then, how to solve the constant and the equation. Ngayon, ating alamin ang definition itong direct variation. When a quantity depends on another quantity and it increases or decreases depending on either the quantity increases or decreases respectively. In other words, if the quantity example, the variable x is increases and also the quantity of variable y is increases. If the quantity of variable x is decreases and also the quantity of variable y is decreases. Sa direct variations, meron siyang tatlong statements to translate into an equation. Y varies directly as x, y is directly proportional to x, and y is proportional to x. So maybe translated mathematically as y equals kx or k equals y over x, where k is the constant of variation. So ito po ang kanyang equation at ito rin ang kanyang pag-solve ng constant. Okay? Example, ang ating direction dito ay write the equation that expresses the relationship. Use k as the proportionality constant. Okay, I give you 1 to 4 na example. Okay, number 1. A quantity j varies directly with quantity h. So, ang equation dito ay, dito ay ginamit ang salitang varies directly. So, that is j equals kh. So, ito po ang kanyang equation. Number 2. A quantity is directly proportional to the square of the quantity v. So dito naman ang salita ay directly proportional. Okay? So that is, the equation is s equals kv squared. Okay? Yan po ang kanyang equation. Number 3. The volume, that is v, of a sphere varies directly with the cube of its radius. So, varies directly. So, ang equation dito ay v equals kr cubes. Yan po ang kanyang equation. Last, number 4. The distance is an object falls is directly proportional to the square of the time, that is t, of the fall. Directly proportional. So, ang ating equation dito ay is equals kc squared. Yan po ang kanyang equation. Next, tayo ngayon ay magsosolve ng equation at ating kukunin ang value ng constant. Example na ating given, if x varies directly with y and x equals 27 when y equals 6. Find x when y equals 2. Okay, ngayon ating munang itong i-translate into mathematical sentence. So, ang sabi, x varies directly with y. So, the equation is x equals ky. Ngayon, substitute natin ang given value dito sa ating original na equation. So, ang value ng x ay 27. Then, ang value of y ay 6. Para ating makuha yung value ng constant. Then, divide natin both side by 6. So, dito ay cancel out na itong 6. Ang natitira na lang yung variable na k. Ito yung constant. Then, divide natin yung 27 divided by 6. That is equals 4.5. Yan po ang value ng constant equals 4.5. Ngayon, ating substitute ang constant dito sa original na equation. Ang tanong, find x when y equals 2. Yung variable x naman ang ating kukunin ang kanyang value kung ang kanyang y ay equals 2. Ganon din ating substitute ang value ng constant dito sa ating original equation, maging ang value ng y na equals 2 para ating makuha yung value ng x. Ngayon ating lang i-multiply. 4.5 times 2 equals 9. So ang value ng x equals 9. Yan po Kamat-like TV ang pag-solve ng equation sa direct variation at yung pagkuha ng constant. Ngayon po mag-mat-like drill tayo. So ang given natin, if m varies directly with p squared and m equals 20 when p equals 2, find m when p equals 5. Translate into equation, then kunin ang value ng m at value ng constant. Comment your answer. Ngayon po, kung meron kang natutunan, pakipindot naman ang like, at kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, pakipindot naman ang subscribe, maging ang bell notification upang ikaw ay laging naka-update sa mga bagong video ni upload sa aking channel na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.